We've had 4 seasons in one day in Cape Town, with overnight rainfall followed by morning fog, with a few clouds still remaining at around lunchtime and the skies then clearing out late in the afternoon, allowing those daytime highs to really warm up. On our futurecast, you'll see a band of thunderstorms extending across South Africa all the way through to the interior part of KwaZulu-Natal and the Eastern Cape, with mostly cloudy weather in the south as well as over the northeastern parts. Now on Sunday, we're expecting some light rain or drizzle over the eastern part of Mpumalanga and Limpopo, with those thunderstorms forming yet again across South Africa, with isolated thundershowers extending through to Gauteng, and we're expecting a bit of cloud to build up in the southwest on Sunday evening. Now with the rain continuing to fall on already saturated ground, the South African Weather Service have issued a watch for the possibility of localized flooding throughout the northwest, and that even continues through to Sunday. Our rainfall probability map shows a band of scattered thunderstorms from the northwest all the way through to the interior part of KwaZulu-Natal and the Eastern Cape, with isolated thundershowers for Gauteng and a slight chance of rainfall still for the Mpumalanga Lowveld. In Bloemfontein tonight, we're expecting thundershowers with a minimum of 18 degrees with light northwesterly winds. Then tomorrow we'll see a lighter west-northwesterly wind with a maximum temperature of 29 on Sunday afternoon, with overcast conditions and the possibility of thundershowers. On our wind map, you'll see a southwesterly wind along the Eastern Cape and KwaZulu-Natal coast on Saturday evening, with light winds forecast over most of the interior, and you'll see an onshore component to the wind bringing in some cloud along the east coast and also bringing in the possibility of rainfall, with a northwesterly wind starting to form in the southwest on Sunday evening. Overnight, we're expecting a minimum of 6 degrees for Sutherland, in the mid-teens for Cape Town and George, 17 for Port Elizabeth, Uppington and Johannesburg, 19 for Mahikeng, Pretoria and Bombela, with a minimum of around 21 degrees for Durban. Now in the afternoon, we're expecting a high of 28 and 30 degrees for Johannesburg and Pretoria, around 30 for Bloemfontein and Kimberley, as well as along the KwaZulu-Natal coast, with daytime highs peaking in the mid-20s for much of the Western and Eastern Cape, and Springbok at 29. On Monday, we can expect thundershowers to move in over Gauteng, with a partly cloudy and dry day for Bombela at 28 degrees, with thundershowers still extending through to Bloemfontein, but a partly cloudy and warm day over the southern part of South Africa, with daytime highs steadily warming up in the west, with a fine and dry forecast along the south coast on Tuesday, with hot weather for East London and a band of isolated thundershowers, particularly over the southeastern part of the country. That's all from the Weather Centre for now. Stay with us for further updates.
Know more about your world.
eNCA.com